Global Literature Monitoring. Welcome to today's session on the critical topic of global literature monitoring. Literature monitoring plays a foundational role in our ongoing efforts to protect public health. It involves systematic reviews of global scientific and medical publications to detect any new adverse drug reactions. This is not a passive activity, but a proactive pursuit, requiring active engagement from various stakeholders, including regulatory bodies, pharmaceutical companies, and healthcare professionals across the globe. These efforts are essential for maintaining the safety and efficacy of pharmaceuticals on the market. Disclaimer. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. The content on these slides is copyrighted by NextPV Services SRO and is based on the views of the creator. However, it's worth mentioning that NextPV leverages artificial intelligence, AI, to enhance our operations. While AI helps us create high-quality content, the human team ensures accuracy and relevancy. This AI-generated voiceover and script show how technology is playing a role in delivering high-quality, accurate content, with humans guiding it to ensure relevance and integrity. Content. Now, let's outline what we will cover in this presentation. We will delve into methodologies for effective literature surveillance, understand the regulatory frameworks that guide these activities, and explore the impact of digital innovation, particularly the role of social media in modern pharmacovigilance. By laying out these topics, we aim to provide a structured and comprehensive overview that will enhance your understanding of the current state of literature monitoring. Literature monitoring. This crucial process involves the ongoing surveillance of published literature to identify reports of new, unforeseen adverse reactions. For marketing authorization holders in the EU, this is not just best practice, it's a regulatory requirement. The rigorous monitoring of literature ensures that safety profiles of drugs are continuously updated, allowing for timely, regulatory action to protect public health. This slide emphasizes the necessity of integrating literature monitoring into the broader drug safety oversight conducted by healthcare authorities and pharmaceutical companies. Literature monitoring social media might become also sources of safety information. In the digital age, social media platforms have become rich sources of real-time data on patient experiences and drug interactions. This slide explores how digital platforms are increasingly incorporated into traditional pharmacovigilance systems. Getting useful data from the huge, unorganized digital terrain is challenging, so we need strict methods that stress accuracy and patient privacy in these efforts. Literature monitoring. The role of the Medical Literature Monitoring Service by EMA is crucial in the European context. This service systematically monitors selected medical literature to identify reports of adverse drug reactions, integrating this data into the UDRA vigilance system. This integration is pivotal for the timely update of drug safety profiles and ensures that the data collected is accessible for further regulatory and safety evaluations. This slide highlights the operational aspects of the EMA's monitoring service and its impact on public health across Europe. Literature monitoring. On a more localized scale, local literature monitoring focuses on the surveillance activities carried out within specific countries or regions. This process is particularly important for substances not covered by the EMA's centralized monitoring service. We discuss the strategies employed to monitor local databases and scientific journals, ensuring that even region-specific data contributes to the global understanding of drug safety. General principles. Discussing general principles of global literature monitoring. This section underscores the standardized approaches and criteria that initiate and guide literature monitoring activities globally. Whether it involves responding to the withdrawal of a medicinal product or integrating new safety information, these principles ensure a consistent and effective approach across various regulatory jurisdictions. General principles. Distinguishing between case literature and non-case literature is fundamental in understanding the scope of literature monitoring. Case literature includes individual case safety reports that are essential for immediate regulatory actions, while non-case literature involves broader analyses like safety evaluations and meta-analyses, which inform long-term regulatory strategies and policymaking. General principles. Further exploring non-case literature, we delve into the types of information this category encompasses, such as aggregated data and systematic reviews. These elements are crucial for identifying potential safety signals and influencing regulatory decisions. General principles. The Vancouver style of citation is essential for ensuring the clarity and consistency of references in medical documentation and reporting. This slide provides practical guidance on applying this citation style effectively in case reports and other medical literature, emphasizing its importance in maintaining high standards of scholarly communication. Legal background. Understanding. The legal background in which literature monitoring operates is crucial for compliance and effective implementation. This slide covers the key legal frameworks and regulations that underpin literature monitoring activities, highlighting the importance of adhering to these legal standards to ensure the validity and reliability of pharmacovigilance practices. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to contact us at NextPV. We're committed to not only fulfilling tasks, but also supporting and taking care of our clients. We look forward to hearing from you and continuing our collaboration in the field of pharmacovigilance.